Yeah, I just want to be the greatest.
It's your boy Hi-Fi Vega, and today I'm here to do a quick review, dyno, amp test in general of the Planet Audio PL1600.4. It's a Class AB 4-channel amp, and according to the website, it is rated 150 watts RMS by 4 at 4 ohm stereo and 300 watts by 4 at 2 ohm stereo, and a whopping 600 watts RMS by 2 at 4 ohm bridged. You know, I'm your boy, and I'm gonna put this thing to the test. We'll see what kind of power it actually does, and then after that, I'll let you listen to it and see what you think. I'm gonna make this one short and sweet, so let's just get straight to it. We're gonna start with the 8 ohm mono test. All channels are driven. This is gonna be a 4 ohm stereo equivalent. We are rated 150 watts by 4, and I am using a 1 kilohertz track. Looks like we got 99 watts at 14.38 volts. Something is definitely going on with my clamp here, because I'm pretty sure this Class AB amp is not 94% efficient. If you want to help support your boy and get some sweet t-shirts, check out my merch store at hifivega.com under the merch tab, or you can just click the link below and it'll take you directly to that site. I have several different versions of this shirt, a Hi-Fi Vega wire shirt, and much more. I'm sure that I got something you'll like, and I appreciate the support. Now we're going on to the 4 ohm mono test. It's rated 600 watts by 2. All channels are driven, and I'm using the same 1 kilohertz track. We got 150 watts at 14.29 volts. Obviously, my clamp was tripping. Something was wrong. It must have had a low battery. But let's give this thing a listen and see if it can redeem itself in that way. Alright, I want to give you guys the new binaural demo. And this is the first amp dyno I've done since I've built this microphone. We're going to see what it sounds like. I've already listened to this amp quite a bit, and I can tell you it's not too impressive. It just sounds, you know, kind of blah. So I went ahead and adjusted the EQ a bit so it's bearable to listen to now with this new EQ. Let me play you a few tracks kind of in my seating position. It's around 3 feet away from the middle of the speakers as I sit here. Let me find a good track and then we'll turn it up and see what you guys think. That's it. I think it sounds okay. It's not terrible. It's not great. It's what you'd expect for a $100 amp. I believe this is. I will definitely leave a link in the description below if you want to pick it up. It's not bad. It's not gonna do close to rated as we've seen, but hey, if you need something cheap, maybe the Planet Audio PL1600.4 will do the trick for you. And look at that, 1600 watts. Yeah, right. I'd like to thank all my Patreon supporters, but a special shout out goes to the $6 or more members: 2001 Monolithic, Gene Nava, Joaquin Juarez, El Fuego, Travis McClendon, Brandon Hanna, William Berg, Boxboy Audio Sound Solution, Jesus Tires, Orion the Great, Dennis Cromwell Jr., Scott Dilbeck, D. Stewart, Aaron Waltz, David Kozlik, Scott McCord, and Matthew Tolberg. For as little $2 a month, you can join the team and help me reach my goal of $200 a month so I can do an exclusive Patreon-only monthly podcast for every tier from $2 all the way up. I appreciate you guys taking the time to listen to my pitch. And if you want to support, check me out at patreon.com/hi-fi Vega.